shown numerous studies how essential oils, fragrances, the aroma can absolutely shift and elevate your mood. In this video, I'm talking about how you can use fragrance to enhance your mood, elevate your confidence, your self-esteem, create calmness, to be more focused and clarity, and so much more, as well as other healing properties. All these beautiful treasure tools that you can enhance your well-being, your emotional state to a higher level. So let's get started. It's all about living consciously. From the moment you get up, setting your day with the right fragrance, the right aroma, with the right kind of essential oils, bringing into your day, starting from meditation. So it's about looking good, feeling good, and creating the day that you want. If you like this kind of content, then don't forget to press the subscribe button down below to stay in the loop for my weekly videos. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland. It's about a conscious state of mind, self-discovery, your style identity, having a kick-ass confidence, and of course, not to forget the whole spiritual journey of connecting with the quantum physics, manifestation, meditating for you to create the life that you want, following your life purpose. Understanding how scents affect us can help us to use fragrance more effectively, whether it's for relaxation, more focus, clarity, calmness, and also to enhance our well-being, our emotional state. Sense of smell plays an important role in the psychological effects of your mood and your stress levels. Electrophysical studies have revealed that various fragrances affect spontaneous brain activities and cognitive forms, which can be measured through an EEG test. It's all to do with the brain's anatomy, because the structure in the front of the brain that sends information to the other areas of the body, to the central command for further processing, like odors, that take a direct route to the limbic system, including the amygdala and the hippocampus, the regions related to emotion and memory. Through neuroscience, and many tests have been done, how aroma, the fragrance, essential oils can absolutely elevate your state of being. It's enhancing your mood. It's creating a different emotional state. Scientific basis around aromacology, connected to fragrance with our brain emotions. The IFF brain emotions, the natural program using neuroscience methods, have created an entire collection of fragrances using essential oils, the aromatherapy oils that create and stimulate in the body emotionally and mentally as well as physically. So picture this. You are starting to create a strategy for your life, for success, for you to be the best version of who you are, for you to create and design the life that you want. So it would start off with like daily rituals. So you wake up very early and you decide you're going to set the tone. You've started your day with your meditation using a fragrance, an aroma, essential oil. You want to be focused. You want to have a clear mind. You want to step into your inner self, have that cosmic connections to make sure that you are on the right track. So now you've got your diffuser and you take some frankincense oils. What does frankincense oil do? It has grounding, balancing, promotes an inner peace. Isn't that alone just absolutely amazing? Instead of that busy mind, now you have that inner peace. And what else does the frankincense do? It helps with depression. It helps with all that worry, that stress. Doesn't that make us function a lot better as a human being? Preparing you from the morning, adding the fragrance of an essential oil or a perfume that you know is a natural base. Now think about it. With the right outfit, the right color, that already is giving you that little extra sort of like that inner vibe where you feel you're more confident, you're more in control. Imagine adding an extra ingredient to that recipe, some aroma, essential oils, some fragrance that's going to elevate and enhance your mood. You consciously are thinking of an intention of the day, that what are the goals you're setting, what are you going to be achieving that day, what kind of emotional state are you going to try to maintain throughout the day to stay in control of your emotions, to be more confident, to be calm, to be focused? So never underestimate the outfit that you are wearing, the color, as well as fragrance that you're spraying on your body, helping you to release dopamine, serotonin,